Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, that the weekly candle here, it's finished, guys. As you see it, what it given us here, it given us here a inverted hammer or a very bearish candle, guys. As you see it, that one is a very huge signal that the market is going to fall down. But we don't know, guys. Tell now what's going to happen. Maybe we are going just to come down till here again. Then after that, we're going to go higher because as you see here in the weekly, guys, the picture is very clear here. Look at it. Look here. If you came to that peak here and those candles here, those ones, and you make a line there, look at that candle we came here today or that week. Was it showing there? It's showing a big tail from upside. Man, people, they don't want it to go higher, and that's what me I've been telling you, guys. I've been telling you also it's still very early. It's need to enter inside here for us to know that the bottom, guys, that one here is the bottom. So till now it doesn't indicate in that now here is indicating the market is going to fall down more. We don't know exactly tell where. Maybe we will not fall down that much, just to here, or maybe we're going to fall down to that 10k. All those people they been dreaming of, and now there is big problems happening to the crypto, guys. As you see it, every day we have the news. So the only thing I can tell you, guys, if you got crypto, move it out from the exchange, buy something and DCA, or buy slowly when you collect in a little bit of cash, about 100 or 200, depending on how much you got of capital. Send it to your wallet and store it in your wallet. You don't need to take the risk from anyone, no matter who is it. If it's Binance, if it's Coinbase, don't trust in exchanges, guys, because those exchanges, majority of them, we don't know what's going to happen, and they go to war against each other. So now they try to find out solution for themselves. But also we don't care. You got your hard wallet, send your crypto to it, and that's it. Yes, you're going to pay a little bit of fees, but it's okay. It's better than to lose everything like how it's happening in FTX. If they put him in the jail, what you going to benefit him from that? You're the most important to keep your funds in the safe place. That is the best way to do it. It's to move them to a hard wallet, to store your 12 keyword or 24 keyword, depending which one you're using, and to store it in a nice place and safe place. So like that, you're going to have your crypto staying with you, guys. I think everything is too clear. So here, guys, there is nothing new here. And that candle here we finished today, it's showing the market is going to reverse, but we don't know exactly, guys, tell where. And here, if you remember what me show you here in the weekly, guys, we got here a divergence like that, as you see it, from that place of the volume to the one here. So now I think picture is too clear, guys. Now, guys, let's go in to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there, guys. Here it is, guys, that the coming news for tomorrow. Actually, we don't got nothing special tomorrow. By the way, that week we got a lot of news, but for tomorrow, Monday, we don't got nothing. So there is nothing is going to happen, guys. Plus here, what we got, our table, the one we follow it every time, guys. What it showing to us? As you see it, all US stocks, they are red. As you see them, the Dow Jones is red, the SP 500 is red, the Nasdaq is red. So everything is looking red, guys. There is nothing green. And here our friend and that one us every time we follow it, it's the VIX, guys. It's still above 20. That means it's still a little bit of scarcity in the market, and that's what me have been telling you. And now, guys, for the crypto, as I told you, now those people, they being as if it's a war between those exchanges now. And today that OX, it happened to them a problem in withdrawal. They stopped withdrawing for 24 hours, I think. Then they said the service of them it was down, but I don't know what's going to happen. That's why me I told you don't trust in those exchanges, because majority of those people, they just open in exchanges and they started anyone who open an exchange, he become billionaire, or from the back of retail traders. So don't trust in any exchange. If you got crypto, move it to a hard wallet and store your crypto by yourself. That's the best way, and that's why the crypto, it came to this world. It came for us to self-custody our crypto. That's the best way. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going back to the chart to analyze for you in the daily what it doing Bitcoin today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the daily. People, they been with us. We enter a short from here. In that place here, we enter a short. I'm going to show it to to you when we reach to 4 hours. Now we are down here, and as I told you, Saturday and Sunday there is no big volume, and that's what it's showing here. There is no big volume. That way I don't put today 2 videos. And here that Monday candle, guys. Now that Monday candle is going to tell us either the market is going to go higher or the market is going to fall down, because that candle is going to show us everything. And as I show you, the people that been with us, I show you in the last video Friday, I show you the options, what investors in the options, what they have, the calls, majority of them, they are at 17,500, and majority of the puts, they are at 16,500. So the people, they don't want the Bitcoin to fall down below 16,500, and they don't want it to go above 17,500 all the way. That's the view of them. But also we're making our analysis, and we said maybe it's going to fall down till here, guys, till that place here. We're going to close some of the profit. If it fall down more, fair enough. If it's not, it's going to come back from here. That's how also we trade. And here in the daily, guys, watch me, I told you we got here that inside bar here, that one here, as you see it, that red one here and the green one of FTX collapse. Till now there is no candle break either up or either down. Until now also we still sideways, guys, as you see it. The market, it's not going to nowhere. And also here now it gives us another place to look at it here, and that one here. Now also we stay sideways, guys. So for people, it's better for you to start swing trading from here to here and from here to here. Then it's going to break, then also we're going to benefit from all that. I think everything is too clear. By the way, you, yes you, are you not a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Or it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, when it came here, people, we buy from here and here down. We tell you when we reach here, take some of the profit and look till where it's falling down. And what me, I told you if you buy $100 from here and $100 from here, over here sell was it equal to $200. By the way, that money management strategy me I'm talking about is very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course down in the first comment. If you're using the coupon link, it will not cost you that much. It's only $13. But if you're using the coupon link down, because you're going to get 85% discount. And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses online. They sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000, guys. But that's not our topic. So as I told you guys, when it touch here, now it's falling down here. Now either from here is going to fall down, or either from here is going to go back. That's another story, because till now also we still sideways here, guys. So guys, now here also we are in a downtrend, and the bears here they controlling, and we still in a downtrend from 2021, and now also we are going to 2023, and the downtrend here also we being followed. Every time the market hit touch it, it's falling down again. So there is nothing was changed, guys, as you see it from here, from 2021 till down here, and also we are in a downtrend, guys. And as you see, every time we touch it, we're falling down again. Every time we touch it, we're falling down again. Every time we touch it, we're falling down again. So the same thing now, maybe from here is going to sideways a little bit, and after that it's going to fall down again. That's why me I told you when you touch it here, over here, take some of the profit and you free your cash. That's why me I've been talking all the time, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what me I told you, we used to have here a up channel like that, very clear up channel. When that candle here breaking, that one, and it's closed like that, we enter short. We came down till here, and I told you in Saturday or Friday, I told you we are going to stay here sideways, and that's what happened, guys. As you see it, we stay sideways here. There is nothing new here. So now what the view, guys, also we said over here, we need to look to protect ourselves here in that zone, the one or the one here, that last low here. Then now also we're showing here we are sideways, guys. Now either from here we're going to fall down, or we're going to break a little bit higher, then we're going to fall down again. And here I show you we got here a cup and handle here, very clear. Look at it. I'm not drawing on top of it, I'm drawing next to it. You see it now. The lower of the cup is that one, guys, here. Now it's breaking down. To know the target of that one exactly, you just do it like that. Then you're doing the same line down here. So as I told you, it's going to fall down till here, till that last low here. So also we're still waiting, guys, till here. Now also we are in profit, but not yet. To start closing a little bit, it needs to fall down more. So I told you over here, protect yourself here in that zone, protect yourself. And if it's falling down more, it's going to be free money. If it doesn't falling down, you saw it and it give you also a price action here. We're going to enter long again, and me I came to you every day, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So when also we put in a new update, you're going to be notified and you're going to see it. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see the touch here, the overbought area, it came down here. As you see it now, being here sideways all Saturday and Sunday. There is no big volume. Now I think it's going to come up here. Maybe then after that it's going to fall down. But also here we are in the place where is the bears, the controlling, guys. There is nothing new here. Also now we are in a downtrend here in the 4 hours. That's what me have been telling you guys every time I came to update you. So I think picture is too clear. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Yes, you watching me now. I know you don't smashing the like button. Pause the video now and go ahead smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know the channel without you can growing up. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, also we enter short because we being here at the overbought area. If you remember, we used to be here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action we used to have here, that up channel here. When it's breaking here, we enter short. Now it started entering here to the oversold area. Now for people that are very conservative, try to protect yourself. Now you are in nice profit. You enter from here. Now you are here. Try to protect yourself a little bit. It's going to fall down more than that, but you try to protect yourself because that market, no one know exactly what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to fall down, then after that you're going to see it going up all the week, or maybe it's going to make a correction upward, then it's going to fall down more. You don't know exactly what's going to happen, but try to protect yourself. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. The last video we used to have here a down channel here. I told you if it's breaking here into long, it's break here. Now you are here. Maybe it's going to go more higher or maybe not. And also we enter short. We used to be here. People they've been with me for some time. We enter short from here till down here. Over here I told you close a little bit of the capital or the profit. Over here I told you close everything. When it's breaking here, the last video you can find all those things in it. When it's breaking here, I told you close everything. Now it's showing it will go upward, guys. Now also we enter long. We need to wait on what's going to happen. Stop loss of also we put it just down here. It's our indicators what they're saying, guys, for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it very close to the overbought area. So now try to protect yourself. Guys. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now if it's enter over there to the overbought area, what should you do? You came here, down here. As you see it, what you have over here like a flag. That's when me I told you it's going to fall down more. Bitcoin, it will falling down more, guys. We need to find in here for scalpers. It's enter here to the overbought area. Then also we find in a price action for us to enter short. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.